My name is Shannon and I work at St. Mary's County Library. Welcome back to another one of our Science Fun for Kids videos. Today we're going to be talking about forces and motion. There are a lot of really good books about this subject on Hoopla. The one that I found and I used for this project is called 25 Great Projects with Forces and Motion by Jennifer Swanson. So go ahead and check that out if you want to use it and follow along. For this experiment, you will need string, scissors, a straw, some tape, and a balloon. Isaac Newton developed the 3 laws of motion that we use to explain how forces and motion work. Number 1 is, an object in motion stays in motion. An object at rest stays at rest until an outside force acts upon it. Number 2 is that acceleration is produced when a force acts on a mass. The greater the mass of the object, the greater the amount of force needed to move it. And number 3 is, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. All right, let's see some of those laws in action. This balloon is our object. We are going to apply some force to this object and get it moving. Okay, here comes the kind of tricky part. So we're gonna blow up this balloon and we're gonna use our tape to attach the straw. It is helpful if you have someone else to help you. So if you have a family member that wants to come and help you, it may be easier to have one person hold it than tape. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my pieces of tape ready. I don't have to fiddle with that. Okay, there's my balloon. Here's my straw. One-handed straw attachment. All right. Cool. There we go. So the force that we're going to use is going to be the air inside of this balloon pushing the balloon. Okay, now let me show you what I've set up back here. Over here, I have attached a piece of string. So here we go. Might not be able to see it. I have a piece of string attached to my spice rack across the room. So you're going to have to attach a piece of string to some object on the other side of the room. Okay? And now we are going to feed the string through our straw so we have kind of a track for our balloon to go down. This is a test. Really would be nice to have someone help me out right now. All right, yeah, okay. It's on the string. All right. So, when I release my hand from my balloon, it's going to let out the air, and we're going to put some force on this balloon and set it into motion. So here we go. Woo! All right, went pretty far. So this is something that you can do with multiple balloons. You can have races, little balloon rocket races. You can add weight to your balloon and see if it travels as fast or as far, because you need more force to move a larger object, an object with more mass. So there are all kinds of different things that you can do with this experiment. I hope you guys have fun. If you are able to do this experiment at home, please take some photos. Your librarians miss you so much. We would just love to see your face. So hope you guys have fun, and I'll see you again next Monday. Bye.